Joe Sellards here with SLI. I'm here with Teddy from Link Outdoor. We're in the field here in beautiful Ormond Beach. We're installing some True Audio Outdoor Series speakers. Let's do it. So this is True Audio's AS3 model. This is their biggest bullet speaker that they have in the market. It consists of an 8-inch woofer and a soft dome tweeter. What's nice about this speaker is on the back, you can adjust the volume level, and you can run up to 10 of these on one line with the 70-volt hookup. And this is how we put them in. When you're burying these speakers, you want to make sure the wire is below the ground and away from any edges. And we'll bury this further once we start connecting. This is our True Audio subterranean 12-inch subwoofer. And what I like about this sub compared to other subterranean subwoofers is serviceability of the unit. Most other subterranean subwoofers, you have to completely take it apart to get to the subwoofer. With True Audio, all you have to do is unscrew the cap and your serviceability is right in here. Just unscrew the subwoofer if there's ever an issue to warranty it and put it right back in instead of digging the whole thing back up again. Another really great design from True Audio. And this is their second series, which they've made some improvements on, which is just really great. And the speakers sound great without the subwoofers, but it's a completely different sound when you have subwoofers in your system and throughout the landscape. It really just gives it a nice even sound. We've got 4 speakers set up here for our Zone 1 with a 12-inch subwoofer, and we're ready to move on to the Zone 2 for the same 4 speakers and 12-inch subwoofer. So let's get at it. Right now we're just getting the speakers symmetrical, evenly spaced throughout the landscape to get that nice even sound. The nice thing about having a 70-volt system is every speaker has both channels, so you don't miss any audio at all. It's just a nice even audio throughout your landscape. Okay, nice thing about this True Audio subterranean subwoofer compared to some of the other models that are out there right now is it has a low footprint. You don't have to dig as big of a hole. It's nice and square, pretty straightforward. Some of the other ones you have to dig quite a big hole to put them in. So yet another good innovation by True Audio. The nice thing about the subterranean subwoofers is it radiates the bass throughout the ground, and you really feel the experience almost as if you're at a concert or an outdoor venue. So we're about to start installing here. We've got the speakers all laid out where we want them on 2 different zones. Now we're going to start all the connections. And if you're planning on doing an install, you can visit Link Outdoor Lighting. And not only do they have all kinds of great lighting fixtures, they also carry all the tools that you might need for your install to a professional job. So we're here in a salt environment, and we're going to do the best connections possible that we can make. We're just using a heat shrink crimp connector that I got from Link Outdoor. Yeah, we're using a 70-volt system here, and so You know, these speakers can get run either on stereo or on 70 volt. And so when we're doing this type of application, it's usually going to be on the 70 volt tap. Well, now that we've hooked up the subwoofer, we're going to move on to the AS3 speakers, and we have 4 of those connect on this zone, and running number 10 wire, just because we have some pretty long runs here. The heat shrink connectors we use at Link, they're all glue filled, so when you heat them up and they shrink down on the wire, glue comes out of the end, so there's really no way for them to come apart. Hey guys, just wrapped up with a killer install here in Ormond Beach. We did some True Audio today, also some Haven RGB color changing lighting. If you need any True Audio or color changing lighting, give us a call, SLI or Link Outdoor Lighting. Appreciate it. Thanks for watching.